Aloha and mahalo for booking your Pali Coast adventure with Captain Andes. We're excited to have you on board and your adventure starts soon. We'd like to take this moment to share with you what to expect.
Please check in at our Port Allen office. Traffic on our small island can get very congested. Give yourself plenty of extra drive time to get here for check-in. Our boats do leave the harbor as scheduled. We don't want you to miss the boat.
To reach our office, travel on Highway 50 to the town of Elieli and turn towards Port Allen. Follow Waialo Road towards the ocean and you will find our parking on the right-hand side.
It's always barefoot sailing in Hawaii. We ask that you please remove your shoes and we will stow them in the shoe bins and have them safe for the duration of your trip.
Be sure to bring a light jacket as it can get cooler when the sun goes down. If you've ever experienced motion sickness before, it's probably good to bring preventative measures. If you need any essential medical items such as EpiPens or asthma inhalers, please bring them with you.
As you move around the boat, be sure to keep one hand on a handrail and both feet on the deck at all times. A good rule of thumb can be to use one hand for the handrail and one hand for your camera, drink, or loved one. You're welcome to bring your cameras, but use good judgment on when and how to use them. The front of the boat can be wet and wild on any day. It's usually drier towards the stern section or in the cabins. There is a flat dash area inside the cabin for all of your stuff. It's the safest and the only dry spot on the boat. Everything else can get wet, that's just part of the adventure here at Captain Andes.
You will enjoy a fresh, delicious dinner prepared by our culinary team. Soft drinks and water are served during the entire trip, and we'll bring out the beer, wine, and our signature sneaky tikis with dinner.
At some point during the day, you might need to use the restroom. The only safe way to get down is to turn and face the ladders as you go up and down. Please use the handrails. On occasion, there are times when the wind and seas are just too much for an enjoyable trip along the Nepali coast. If that's the case on the day of your adventure, we'll be heading for calmer waters. Your captain will be checking ocean conditions right up to the time of departure. We have lots of great places to go with smooth sailing, stunning scenery, active marine life, and incredible sunsets.
Mahalo for your attention. We hope to see you soon. And aloha!